Yes, welcome back everyone. This is me, Rooney Lin, once again. And just a day after previous recording, today I'm here on Brilliant.org to do some educational video recordings once again. But surprisingly, today is something special I'm going to tell you right now. Is here thinking in Python level 2. This is warm-up session. Like I haven't tried this warm-up session activity on Brilliant.org for quite a long time now. So I think it's time to get something motivated doing this warm up together with me and just better refreshed, shall we? So I'll click this start to begin this warm up course. Wait for a moment. Yes. Python warm up is once again doing these write this warm up questions with 3 tabs. So this is question number 1. So I'm going to read it out. What does this program print? Username, QuickFox, field logins, 4. So +1 is increment of 1 more, so 5. Locked? Greater than or equal to 5. Yes, 4 plus 1 is 5. It should be locked, doesn't it? This one. Let's check. That is correct. Now let's click on why. After line 4, field logins is 5. 4 incremented by 1. So field logins at least 5 greater than or equal to 5 evaluates to true. Yes, definitely locked, isn't it? Like the password lock situations that we've previously encountered, what I demonstrated to you in the previous video, right? The same problem applies, I think. Continue to the next one. Now, this is question number 2. What is wrong with this program? Accounts with 5 or more failed logins should be locked. Wait, logins is 1 plus equal to 4, but failed logins less than 5, not equal to 5. Actually, yes, here. It logs accounts when there are fewer than 5 failed logins, not more than. It's fewer so less than sign. Should be applied. Now let's check. That is correct. Let's see why once again. Failed logins being less than 5 is true when the account is less than 5, so 5 failed attempts overall would incorrectly show false. Of course, the same program error applies to the exercise I did yesterday. So again, the same problem might arise like this, so you all guys have just demonstrated, analyze this, and better watch out with these problems. So continue. Okay, last but not least, fix the program. Accounts with 5 or more failed logins should be locked. Print locked, question mark, is less than 5, so 5 or more failed logins. It should be changed. This one, simple as that. Let's check. Yes. Now the program has been correctly fixed and executed correctly. Let's click why. Replace the comparison with failed logins greater than or equal to 5, so account logs at 5 or more failed attempts. Just the symbol has been replaced less than turned to greater than or equal to 5. Reverse trend has occurred right now. So correctly executed, didn't it? Yes. As usual, I've successfully completed 3 warm-up questions, all in green, means I answered all of them correctly, so simple as that, no problem at all. Right? So I'll click this finish tab to conclude here. Wait. Yes, perfect. Let's keep the momentum going. So you like this Riddle or kid like doing this muscle icon, don't you? Just drop in the comments if you like it or not. Anyway, I've gained total 55 XP this time round. Continue. Boom. Yes. What a day, what an achievement. Smartest week ever. 7 consecutive days doing this activity on brilliant.org. Today on Friday, I've gained 7 extended streak with this lightning bolt. Once again, iconic one that you already showed on replay. But I'll keep engaging with brilliant.org again. So anyway, continue. Whoa. No, no, no. The same personalized ads appear once again. Okay, don't worry about this guy telling why personalized ads might be repeatedly occurring, especially if your Brilliant.org account is just being applied to free, but no time for transition to premium after all. Yes, level up your learning with premium. Just ignore this. I'm not going to repeat that, so remind me later. Alright. As usual, here on Thinking in Python, I've done basic 3 warm-up questions. Altogether with me, you just demonstrated and follow all the trends, how the question should be correctly answered here together with me on Brilliant.org. Right, I'm not going to repeat these conditional statements because I already repeated and explained to you yesterday. Anyway, that's it all for this today's short educational warm-up video on Brilliant.org. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you do enjoy watching this, don't forget to add a like as always and subscribe to my YouTube channel with similar educational videos and other related contents like gameplay or Gmoke out videos on Runilin YouTube channel. So just stay tuned for those videos and don't miss out by clicking all those links and going to my YouTube link straight away. I'll keep progressing this Brilliant.org educational video progress in the future, right? I'll see you in the next video, guys. Anyway, that's it all for this today's show warm-up video. Take care, guys. Cheers. Bye.